Yes, Prakash, you can go ahead, followed by Vishesh. Prakash, go ahead.
Uh, Mayank, Centurion historically hasn't been very kind on touring openers. So, what was the plan heading in today, and what did you make of the conditions, particularly in the morning session? You and Rahul did left a lot of deliveries, and there was a sense of caution early on. How much of that was part of your week's training at the center wicket in the lead up to the game?
Um, well, to be honest, I think the plan was to be very disciplined. Only look to play the ball which are on the stumps and try and leave as many as possible. And I'm glad that we could do we could do just that. And talking about practice, I think it was great practice. We had so many sessions as open nets in the center wicket practice in the ground, and you could really get a feel of the situation. So situations, conditions, and what we would probably encounter in the test match. So it was great preparation for us.
Vishesh, you can go ahead with your question, followed by Vinayak.
Hi, Mayank. Well played today. I just wanted to ask your head coach Rahul Dravid has a lot of experience of playing in South Africa. So, did you have any specific conversations with him on how to go about your building your innings? And was there anything specific that you wanted to pick in?
Well, the conversations were about being very disciplined. He was very clear. He said that when you especially when you're playing in South Africa and in other countries, you will not look very good. But it's not about looking good or not looking good. It's about sticking to your plan, being disciplined, and waiting for your opportunities to score. So we were thinking around those lines, and I'm glad we could do well in the first session.
Vinayak, you can go ahead, followed by Shamik. Vinayak, go ahead.
Hi, Mike. Vinayak here from Scroll.in. Congrats on your innings today. I wanted to ask if the batting was as good as it looked, and what are the takeaways from a bowling unit point of from today? I mean, what is the feedback given to your bowling group? Is there enough in the pitch, or did you all just like play so well that it looked a little uh, flat? Wouldn't be the right word, but looked a little easy to bat on.
Well, to be honest, I think being placed at 270 for three at the end of the day is credit to the batting unit. I think we really applied ourselves, and we played really well. With that said, the talk has been that the people who get set have to continue, and credit to KL that he's batted through the day, and he's made sure that he's been part of very important partnerships.
Shamik, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi, man. Well played, man. Your dismissal, what we saw on Delhi, there was that umpire's call option was missing, and you looked unhappy as well. So, can you just please give some details into that? You obviously you thought the ball was it was a bit high, it was missing the stumps, isn't it?
Well, to be honest, I'm not I'm not allowed to express my opinions on it, and and I'll leave it at that unless I want to be in the bad books and get my money docked.
Um, Khaniso, followed by Karthik Krishnaswamy. Khaniso, go ahead.
Thank you very much. Good evening, good evening, everyone, and well played for your innings today.
Thank you.
Do you have any idea what is a very good first innings score for you guys here? Considering that when Sri Lanka were here last year, they made 390 and they still ended up on the losing side, but India does have a far better bowling attack.
Well, to be honest, no, we will definitely try and get as many as we can. We've placed very well at at 270 odd for three. So that's good for us. I think the first 1 hour is going to be crucial, and if we can do that, then we can definitely pile on a big score. But yeah, like you said, trying to get as many as possible, 400 plus would be good.
Karthik, you can go ahead.
Hi, Mayank. Very well played. Uh, in the middle session, there seemed to be a little bit of up and down bounce on the pitch. Was that there in the first session or not? How did the conditions kind of evolve over the entire day's play?
Well, I think there was a bit of moisture in the wicket early on, and that's why we could see a few balls just kick from length, and I think it just got Yeah, it just got a little better to bat on as the day progressed, and it got a little quicker.
We'll take last few. Venkat followed by Rohit Jublan. Venkat, go ahead.
While well played, can you just tell us about what KL Rahul has done in the last year or so? You have spent a lot of time with him as well, be it at the IPL as well as in the team. What has he done? What has he been doing behind the scenes that he's been playing really well in England as well as?
Well, that's a question I think you should ask him. But someone who's watching him closely, I think he really understands where his off stump is. He's really getting to the line of the ball, and he's leaving really well, and he's very disciplined with his game plans and his mindset. And he's looking to bat sessions, and he's looking to bat through whenever he gets set.
Final two questions. Rohit Jublan followed by Amitava. Rohit, go ahead.
मैं भाई ये जानना चाह रहा था आपसे कि आज अगर पूरे दिन का आप हाईलाइट देखिए तो ऑब्वियसली केएल का 100 है उसने, लेकिन आप किस तरीके से देखेंगे आज इंडियन बैटिंग को? आपने बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट किया केएल के साथ, देन विराट भाई के अच्छे रन आ गए, देन अजिंक्य रहाणे ने भी अच्छी पेसी इनिंग्स खेली वहां पर। हाईलाइटिंग पॉइंट्स किस तरीके से देखते हैं आप इंडियन बैटिंग के आज के दिन के?
Yeah, I think the highlight for us as a team is definitely, obviously, Rahul getting a big 100, but the crucial point for us is getting partnerships. I think we got a good partnership first up, then with Virat and KL, and then now with Ajinkya and KL, and I hope they can continue the same. So I think knitting partnerships and making them bigger and bigger is the key, and that also is the highlight for us as a team today.
Final question, Amitava, please go ahead.
Hi, Mayank. I'm Daud from Preview. I want to ask you about what do you make of the South African bowling attack the way you faced today? You're batting for some time.
Well, no, obviously they are an international side. They are a good bowling attack, and they did bowl good areas. But I think it's more for them to reflect, as a team. But with that said, I think I would definitely want to say that we really applied ourselves as batsmen today, and were really determined, and were really disciplined about it.